Meaning of grifter.
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 Grifter. A grifter is someone who engages in fraudulent activities or schemes to gain money or other benefits dishonestly. The term typically refers to a con artist or scammer who uses deceptive tactics, such as lying or trickery, to exploit others for personal gain. Grifters may operate in various ways, such as through email scams, fraudulent investments, or fake charities. They may also use their charm or charisma to gain trust and manipulate their victims. Ultimately, grifters engage in illegal and unethical behavior that can have serious consequences for both themselves and their victims.